Once upon a time, in the savannas in Africa, there lived many animals. There was a lion.
I am a lion, king of jungle.
There were two monkeys.
I am a happy monkey. I'm a happy monkey.
A parrot.
Squawk, squawk. I'm a parrot.
An owl.
Hoot, hoot, doo-wee-doo. I am an owl.
An elephant.
I'm an elephant. Woo!
A hippopotamus.
Hello, I am a happy hippopotamus. I am a happy hippopotamus. Hello,
A snake.
I am a snake. Hey,
A crocodile.
I am a crocodile.
A warthog.
I am a warthog. Hello,
A meerkat.
I am a meerkat.
And a woodpecker.
No, I am the woodpecker. Peck, peck. You see, when the story started, I didn't have a voice. I could not talk. But then, I found my voice. Do you want to know how?
Yes! One day, as the sun went down, it became absolutely dark in the savannas. Nobody could see anything because up in the sky there was no moon and there were no stars. Mrs. Hippopotamus, who was coming out of the river after taking a swim and drinking some water, bumped right into Mr. Elephant.
Mr. Elephant, please watch your way. You get my way. No, you. You. Hey, stop fighting. Stop it, you two. Hey, what to that tonight? We do. I can see perfectly well. Squawk, squawk. Then no moon. Then no stars. Then gotten to come
And crash! Meanwhile, in the river, something rather silly had happened. Warthog had got caught between the jaws of the crocodile. No, the crocodile didn't want to eat the warthog. It all happened because it was so dark that night. Come, let's go there.
No, you can't eat me. I don't want to eat you. What do we do? Stop fighting! Stop fighting! Hey, mean cat! Please help the warthog.
The woodpecker went to the meerkat and told her to help Warthog. Meerkat smiled and nodded her head.
We will help you, warthog. Come, monkeys, give me a hand. Squawk, squawk. We will need everyone's help.
Pull!
Pull! Pull!
Pull!
Pull! Pull! Pull! Pull!
Pull!
Warthog. Oh, you poor crocodile.
Far away in his cave, the lion was about to go to bed.
I am so tired. Let me sleep. Ooh, ooh. We need to fix this. Yes, but what shall we do? Squawk, I have an idea. Let's ask the lion. Good idea. Good idea, but the lion must be sleeping. The lion has had a very busy day today. Yes, but he's the king of the jungle. He must help us. Let's wake him up. Hurry! Let's do it. Now, my friends here have a brilliant plan. But since it was so dark, it was decided to form a chain and pass on the message.
Thank you, Woodpecker. That's right. The animals made a chain and started passing the message. It started with the happy monkey, who whispered the message to the naughty monkey.
Wake up, lion, wake up!
Naughty monkey whispered the message to the parrot.
Wake up, lion!
Parrot whispered the message to the owl.
Wake up, lion, wake up!
Owl whispered the message to the elephant.
Lion, wake up!
Elephant whispered the message to the hippopotamus.
Wake up, lion, wake up!
Hippopotamus whispered the message to the snake.
Wake up, lion, wake up!
The snake hissed the message to the crocodile.
Wake up, lion, wake up!
The crocodile whispered the message to the warthog.
Wake up, lion, wake up!
The warthog whispered the message to the meerkat.
Wake up, lion, wake up!
And the meerkat told the woodpecker.
Wake up, lion, wake up! Oh no! Iron elastic off the chain! Oh my gosh and golly!
Oops! We told you the woodpecker didn't have a voice. Now, what will he do? The woodpecker was quite worried. He tried really hard to wake up the lion.
Wake up, lion! Wake up!
But the lion was fast asleep.
I am falling and living. I am so happy. Let me sleep.
The woodpecker decided to save the day, or rather night. The woodpecker flew up into the sky and began pecking on it.
Peck, 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 peck.
He thought that the stars and the moon were asleep, so he tried to wake them up. However, with all the pecking, the woodpecker made tiny holes in the sky and created new stars and a brand new moon.
Hooray!
The holes flooded the earth with light. All the animals cheered happily. Hooray! The stars and the moon are back.
Hooray! Hooray!
Listening to all this noise, the lion woke up.
What is this noise? Hooray! The stars and the moon are back! Hooray! Stars and moon are back! Squawk, squawk, I'm so happy! Hoot, hoot, tweet, I'm too happy! This is fantastic! I am delighted! Let's party! Come on, everyone! Let me sing a nice song. Who did this? Ee, ooh, ooh. Who did this? Who did this? Who did this?
All the animals were confused. Who did this after all?
Of course, the lion, the king of the jungle.
No, I did not do it. I just woke up.
I did it. I did it. I did it.
Hooray! The woodpecker had a voice, and the woodpecker had saved the day, the night, of course.
And the woodpecker saved it. Nice.
3 cheers for Woodpecker.
Hip hip hooray!
Hip hip,
Hooray! Hooray!
hooray! We would now like to introduce you to the members of the cast. The role of the woodpecker was played by Jai Pratap Singh. The role of the lion was played by Sanshray Bhasin. The happy monkey was played by Prisha Bohra. Naughty monkey was played by Mahira Bhardwaj. The role of the parrot was played by Rajveer Bagga. The role of the owl was played by Arya Khaitan. The role of the elephant was played by Ryansh Menon. The role of the hippopotamus was played by Aradhya Kapoor. The role of the snake was played by Aryav Agarwal. The role of the crocodile was played by Vatsal Tandon. The role of the warthog was played by Alia Khaitan. The role of the meerkat was played by Zoe. The play was based on the Tinga Tinga Tale by the same name, Woodpecker Finds His Voice. It was adapted into a play and written by Rohini Vij. The play was directed for a virtual presentation by Rohini Vij. This was a presentation of NutSpace's dramatic play.